Near the Tree Apartment Building by PETITDIDIERPRIOUX Architects in VILLEFRANCHESUR-SAôNE, France. At the gateway of the Beaujolais vineyards, the project contributes to the qualification of one of the city's entrances. The location of the project is defined by the preservation and the emphasis on the existing landscape heritage. The corolla of trees defines the pentagonal shape of the building and gives it its architectural identity. The building offers qualitative housing, both by orientation and typology. All of the apartment plans offer generous living rooms extended by large outdoor spaces. As for the materials used, they bring a pure, timeless, and long-lasting feeling to the building. The concrete facade is stained in warm tones. It has a faded red color that complements the dominant green.